In front of me is TCL Plex, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and selecting photos or folders at the top. Then, after finding photos you wish to get rid of, hold one of them and use those dots at the top left corners to select multiple right away. When you finish, click on this bin at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!